don't teach. We don't do social work, no? But prayer and sacrifice. Sabi ni Saint Therese kasi, just to pick up a pin from the ground can save a lot of souls if you do it with an act of love. It's very, very contemplative. It's sacrifice and prayer. You can do a lot by doing it for the love of God. No? But, yung, sabi ni St. John of the Cross then, this one you should keep in mind. All the works that you have in your lifetime, works, that means works, active work, no, is going to be lesser than one act of pure love. What is one act of pure love? I don't know. It's really from your heart. One act of pure love is more valuable in God than a whole lifetime of good works, which has an ego. Anong ibig sabihin ng ego? My pride, no? My sense of accomplishment, my sense of self, no? Which is very difficult to get rid of, ha? It's very difficult to get rid of. Basta gumawa ka ng kabutihan, usually, mayroon self dyan. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, yes po.
Talagang pag gumawa ka ng kabutihan, hindi pwedeng hindi nalalaman ng utak mo yan. Eh. Mayroon kang self dyan. Now, to be able to obliterate yourself, dumaan ka na sa butas ng karayom. Ibig sabihin, dumaan ka na sa talagang minudmud ka na sa ground so that nawala na yung ego mo. Which is not going to be done by you. It's going to be done by God. Alam mo ba, Ning, ang lalim ng Carmelite spirituality, ha? Grabe. If you are called to Carmel, you're special. Hindi sa Carmelite ako, ha? At hindi ka. But you understand, ha? If you are called to Carmel, it's special. Talagang, this is next to God na to, eh. Wala nang iba. Wala nang in between. You are really, it's next to heaven na talaga. Ibig sabihin, God is asking you everything so that you have nothing anymore. It's very malalim talaga. Kaya, kami, the Carmelites, they grapple with the spirituality as if it's very difficult to impart it to others because we're so rich. Look at Teresa, look at the workings of the writings of John. Then we have Elizabeth of the Trinity, we have Edith Stein. Mayroon pa, Blessed Mary of Jesus Crucified, ang lalim din. Pero halos grabe yung richness. But to impart that, to live that, it's talagang it's beyond us. It's only God's grace. Now you, if you be able to reach a certain, if you have the mission, reach a certain, you will also contribute to that, the richness of the Carmelite spirituality. And